What's up everyone, my name is Josh Chides. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're over here at SevenStock. So as you see, this is the biggest RX Rotary event in the world. You see a bunch of beautiful RX-7s, especially these are the FD models, my favorite, but I love them all. So watch this video and hope you enjoy. We're gonna do like a POV style. The music's pretty loud, it's coming on, so I'm trying to hurry up. But like and subscribe and hope you enjoy. Damn. This is a crazy wide body. Look at that. Rad potential about his RX-7s. I watched the build on this one. Really beautiful. Indiana. And this is his 3-rotor, Rob Dom's 3-rotor RX-7. Did Pikes Peak. It's cool seeing this in person. Wow. Alright, this is how my RX-7 is supposed to look like. Beautiful red. One day, almost there. We saw this one over there and we went to Seven's Day. So, look at these lights, I've never seen these ones before. This one has the Veilside RX-7 kit, popularly known from the Tokyo Drift Fast and the Furious. In my last videos, he has this company called Red Performance, so he should be around here. I'll meet up with him in a bit and give a talk to him, so he can probably talk to you what he sells. A beautiful car. He has a Ari Amamiya hood. He has Abdullah wing, some nice rims, 99 spec, and nice spec front bumper. And you can see he actually makes these license plates. So if you're interested, check out his website. And these turn on at night, so it's pretty badass. So look at this bumper. This is the Mazda Speed bumper. Beautiful, it has the big fog lights. I like this one. This was one of the ones I was going for initially, but I have another one in mind. I'll let you know if I see it. But yeah, here got some RX-8s and a bunch of companies, vendors selling their stuff. This is the hood I want. This is badass. Same thing as the one that Dakota has, the RA Mamma Mia. So pretty badass. This is almost the full spec that I want. Got the T37s, you know, everybody wants those, but this color of the rims looks badass. Check out the rims, the wheels. You go back to this FD, he actually has the Mazda Speed rims. So this is almost a full spec Mazda Speed. He has the, I forget what that's called, the fenders and this overlay. And he has these rims, these are badass. Beautiful, and he even has the Mazda Speed spoiler. So it's a little bit raised. He even has a little lip built in to the bottom. Oh, really clean. Right-hand drive. Even if you look through the window, he has the Recaro rims. And if you look at there's another cool thing which I really found out. If you look at the windshield wipers, it even has a little like spoiler, a little lip, just to make it even more aerodynamic. Pretty cool. And if you look at this one, this is RX-7, bruh. This is RX-7. Pretty clean, all stock for the most part. Got some white T37s, really clean. He's actually getting in trouble right now because stupid state ref, you know how that could be, especially in California. And he has a nice new from, I think it's called, I forget the name of it, Origin Work, that they just came out with their fog lights, and bright enough you can use during the day, but super clean example. He has everything, little touches. He has the gold plated calipers, really clean. And if you look at his spoiler, he even has the Mazda Speed spoiler with the Abdullah wing, and it's carbon fiber. Really clean example, inspirational. This is a gold car. I want a FC RX-7. This is the iconic white color. It's very beautiful. One day. This is a 767B Rotary Le Mans race car. Excuse me, thank you. Rotary engine. Here's the back end. And here's another Cosmo. This is when Mazda was using their Unos brand. And this is a rotary engine as well. They're trying, just like right now, Mazda's getting more into luxury. So this is their luxury end vehicle. Remind me of my Toyota Camry, actually, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And here is a FD Spirit R. And this one was made left-hand drive, so They're supposed to be right-hand drive, but I believe someone wanted it to be illegally, wanted to have it in the US. They converted everything to left-hand drive, so that's why you'll see left-hand drive when it should be right-hand drive. Yeah. This is their top-of-the-line model RX-7. So this is the R3 one, LM20, according to this. I never heard of this one, but it was a tribute to the Le Mans racer. So it's R3 2011, one of the final years of the RX-8. Here's Anna's car. This is what she wants. Mazda 3 Turbo all-wheel drive. This is the Mazda GTO. Drag racer. This is beautiful. All stock. Super clean. Red, purple too. This is what I want. This is my mechanics, actually, RX-7. Neptune Garage. Beautiful red. He's over there on the left. Pretty cool. Yeah, beautiful car. He actually takes this on the track. So, if you're looking for any 90 GDM, any cars, he's your man. Yoshi at Neptune Garage. This is where I get my oil and premix. They're sustainable, renewable energy, burns clean. They have a cool FD car. And he's a race driver right there. Pretty badass. Also a Rotary Sub MX-5. Beautiful, huge wide body kit. And that's all I have for you in this video. Irwindale Speedway is beautiful. It sucks that it's closing. If you look at this is amazing. So if you're interested in coming, now's your chance. They have until the end of the year. There's a couple events, drag strip, and I think they're doing a final send-off. So hope you enjoyed this video. SevenStock was amazing. Thanks to everybody who hosted the event. I didn't bring my car in, but I drove it in. And anyways, yeah, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day. Peace.